making a snow angel. Good girl. Oh, look at it. Hop up. Look at your angel. Look at the angel. Oh, Lucy's eating the snow. Look at your angel. Look at Mama. Was that fun? There you go.
It's just snow.
It's just snow. It's not dirt. Can you pick up snow and make a ball out of it?
What's this? What's this?
What's that?
What's this?
Pick it up with your hand and go. Whoa. See?
Yeah.
Can you do that? Let Lucy have it. Is that funny? Throw it up in the air. Use both hands. Throw it up. Woo! It's just snow, yeah. Clap your hands together. It'll come off. Clap your hands. Clap. Good job. You can go play in your house if you want. You can get some of your toys out and play in the snow. Okay. You can.
And lay down.
You can lay down in it. Lucy loves the snow. Lucy's playing with you. Yay! She likes it when you throw it. Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3, throw it! Oh!